Hello and welcome to another update video about Polkadot. A little bit of a boring time in the crypto market at the moment. That is often what happens towards the end of a bear market. Long sideways movement because sellers are getting exhausted, buyers are not really interested yet. You get a lot of up and down, but nothing too crazy. So in the end, this is still trading down in what I would consider a diagonal pattern to the downside here. Which could be finished. Yeah, absolutely. This could be finished. We made a new low. Any low at the moment with Polkadot could be the last one. Polkadot has dropped far enough in order to complete this overall bear market, which doesn't mean it has to be over. Yeah, so it can without a problem drop even lower. Therefore, whenever we make a new low here, we have to watch for a proper impulsive price action to the upside, which is at the moment still missing. So we don't really have good 5-wave impulses to the upside here at the moment, so it's kind of failing to impulse, which indicates that we are probably going to see some further downside here. There is currently here the chance, as I said, that this has actually bottomed, but as sketched out here, this 5-wave move to the upside is not really convincing yet, because yes, we could count this as a 5-wave move, yes, we could count this as a 3-wave move down in a wave 2, but what is this? So this is probably not yet finished. If it is a wave 3, it's not yet finished, because in a wave 3 we should reach the 1.618 extension. We would like to reach $5.98, or at least the $6 level, and we're not doing that. Yeah, so it's falling short at the moment of targets for a wave 3. That gives less confidence for a continuation to the upside. Not exactly convinced that a low is already in. Until I see the 5 waves up, yeah, and then 3 waves down, I'm not going to confirm that a bottom has been made here. So at the moment, I'm actually looking for further continuation to the downside. Short-term upside, of course, possible. And to be honest, we can focus on higher short-term as long as we're holding that $5.07 level, which is this wave 2 low that was created on the 28th of November. As you can see, we're in a downward sloping channel. So as long as we are in this channel, what is definitely possible is that Polkadot reaches the top of the channel, which would be just below $7 probably, and could then come down once more. Be aware of that. Anybody who wants to sort of speculate that this happens could of course go long here. And the advantage of the current price range is that we are quite close to the invalidation point here, yeah. But of course, the further we move up, the further we are moving into risk, because we're getting further away from key support, and the stop loss is going to be further away here. We're also still below the 50-day moving average that you can see here in yellow. Let's see if this is going to be relevant. It's basically exactly where the target for the wave 3 would be. But yeah, there's no way around it. At the moment, this is just a 3-wave structure to the upside, and that doesn't give a lot of confidence, okay? I think it's important to understand we are in this downward sloping channel. The first major resistance to take out is basically this $6 level. Yeah, we've got here the swing high of that previous wave 4. That is relevant. That needs to be taken out. I think if we take out that level, as you can see, how the drop was, how fast, then we could go quite quickly to the top of the channel. That would be a breakout point. But overall, it's not convincing what we're doing here. We're moving up slightly, yeah, but it makes a very, very corrective impression, that move to the upside. Also, if we just move out here, zoom out a little bit, the ideal target for a wave 5, yeah, to finish off this overall correction, we can actually calculate that by taking the length of the wave 1 and add it to that high, would actually take us into the region around 450, so we haven't reached that yet. So that is one more thing to consider. And then overall, we go to the daily chart. You can see that on the daily, we are already losing the positive momentum already. Yeah, that was created after we dropped here on the, well, actually around the 9th of November. Yeah, we dropped quite hard. Then negative momentum or bearish momentum reduced, moved into bullish momentum. That's already slowing down. And if this is now turning, that would be a signal we're actually dropping further. Support will be, of course, this sort of $5 level that I mentioned to you. And then the channel support. If we break below channel support, yes, then I think we're going to head into that $4 region. Also here on the daily RSI, we're still sort of in the bearish range, just below 50. Also not really convincing here. And even here, like on the 4-day chart, even the bullish momentum is reducing. So that's actually quite significant. Also still in the bearish range on the 4-day chart on the RSI. So yeah, guys, I think this does not really give any interesting bullish signals. All we're doing at the moment is basically making lower lows and lower highs here on the daily chart. Short term, we are in a slight uptrend, yes, but there are certain doubts that this is going to last long. And even if it plays out and goes higher, it will be constrained most likely by the channel, which will be a big thing to overcome. Then we've got the wave 4 high at $7.38. That, when we break that, that is really when we can be more confident that a low has been made. And then the next one will be this wave 2 high at around $8. That's everything I can tell you about Polkadot at the moment. So no sign it has bottomed yet. We'll keep watching. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.